Hi friends, Jay Eichmann, YouTube channel Road Test Success. Get ready to be a bit upset about this drive test. This examiner is about to start belittling, lecturing, and frankly being quite condescending to the student, who is a pretty good driver. We're at the end of the test, and he's wondering if he failed. Listen for a few moments.
I fail?
Do you think I should tell you how to drive?
But
Was there pedestrians there?
yes.
Did I have to tell you move away from them? What if he fall?
Okay, I know.
What would happen?
I will.
You will crush him.
Yes.
So you have to, when you see a pedestrian, you have to yield to them. You slow down and you move away. Check. Just move away and drive slowly and away from them. Safety. You don't just keep driving like normal. I have to tell you, hey, move away. Why are you driving so close to him? What if he don't see you? Oh, you're gonna crash. Yeah. So do you think that is safe driving?
No.
Is that a good example of a safe driver? How can I give you a license if you drive like that? Explain to me.
It's my fault.
Yeah.
So let's go back to the beginning and see if we can figure out what this examiner is so upset about.
And is your first drive test?
Yes.
All right. Okay. You ready?
Yes.
All right. Go ahead and turn right, okay?
Okay.
If you're not clear on the direction, during the exam you can have me repeat it. But other than that, we're no talking, okay? And do everything I ask you to do when it's safe to do, okay?
Thank you.
So that statement right there is kind of a red flag. They have a set script they're supposed to read, including offering to answer any questions. Not only did she not follow the script, but she told the student no talking.
Left turn? Left turn.
Okay.
Don't get so close to people, sir. Why are you driving so close to him?
Okay. Sorry.
Make a right turn.
Okay, well, if you didn't catch that, there's your critical error, and I'm going to review it here in just a moment. The indicator was that now she's changed her mind to turn right. This was an incredibly difficult situation. Let's dig into it a bit and see what could have been done differently. So here we are approaching what should be a left turn. It is a T intersection and we have pedestrians in the roadway. Now, yes, you should give 3 feet of clearance. But what if someone's turning right
Why are you driving so close?
into this lane? You would have just caused an accident. So what is it you would have done there? What would be the proper thing to do?
Don't get so close to people, sir. Why are you driving so close to him?
Okay, sorry.
Make a right turn.
So that she's now changed it from a left turn to a right turn is basically saying she's going to be taking him back to the DMV. You know, I've watched that clip over and over again, and I'd like you to do the same. I guess one option you could do there as you approach those people in the intersection is basically slow to a stop. Maybe even tap your horn, make eye contact with them, let them know you need to sneak by or go by at a close distance,
Make a right turn.
and then stay in your lane, because if you get in that other lane, you are at great risk of causing an accident as a car blindly takes that right-hand turn off the main street. So we're going to get this student back to the DMV, where you'll be able to hear the entire lecture at the end of the test.
Make a right turn. Straight. Make a right turn. Slow down, okay? 5 miles.
So as we pull into this parking spot here, and the examiner proceeds to give us the lesson on pedestrians, think about some comments that you would make. Leave a comment. How would you have handled that situation? And what do you think of how this examiner has treated this student? You know, again, I'll say this was an impossible situation. Not saying that the way the student was planning to handle it was perfect, but I think a little bit of grace and some respect from the examiner could have gone a long ways here. So leave a comment, tell me your thoughts.
I feel?
Do you think I should tell you how to drive?
But
Was there pedestrians there?
yes.
Did I have to tell you move away from them? What if he fall?
Okay, I know.
What would happen?
I will
You
crush
will
it.
crush him.
Yes.
So you have to, when you see pedestrian, you have to yield to them. You slow down and you move away. You check, just move away and drive slowly and away from them. Safety. You don't just keep driving like normal. I have to tell you, hey, move away. Why are you driving so close to him? What if he don't see you? Oh, you're gonna crash. Yeah. So do you think that is safe driving?
No.
Is that a good example of a safe driver? How can I give you license if you drive like that? Explain to me.
It's my fault.
Yeah. Why do you not like move away? You don't know?
Yes,
Hmm?
I know.
I know. I'm asking. You saw him, right?
Yes.
You see him? So why you don't do that? You're like. You see, yeah. I have to tell you. It's no good. Huh? If I tell you, no pass. Understand? But why you didn't do it on your own?
I think it's not too close.
You think it's not too close?
Now I know.
Yeah. You don't think that's too close? That's the problem. just come back when you make appointment. But you have to practice. Make sure you know pedestrian always has a right of way, okay? So always slow down, stay away, okay?
Yes.
That's why. I cannot continue the test if I have to tell you, hey, don't do that. Hey, stop, you know? It's not good. You need to move.
Thank you.
So make an appointment, okay? Call your family.
Yes.
So understand this type of reaction from the examiner is not normal. We see lots of tests here on the channel, and this is a first. Take the time to watch some of our other videos. They'll give you a great idea of what you'll expect on your drive test. Thanks for watching.